Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are doing a design, and as you can see I've already put my tips on, and you can see that I have decided to go for a coffin shape for this design. So I'm going in with my beige from Vetsy and using my little sponge just to dab that down the nail, curing it, and then I'm going in with this blue, and as you can see it is very opaque, and I wanted it the color a bit more stronger, so I actually did several coats. If you decide that you're using these concentrated pots and you're wanting the color to be more vivid, I suggest you do multiple thin coats rather than just a couple of thick coats, because then that way you get a nice smooth finish with no creasing or ruffling or leaving any brush strokes in it. So now I'm moving in with one of their ombre gels using that same sponge, and I'm just going over the beige just to make it a bit more of a peachy brown colour, which I think just looks a bit nicer because I found the beige to be too pale. And I'm going in now with a pretty blue cat eye on the thumb, and just using my magnet to move the cat eye particles to where I like them. And I am putting that same cat eye gel on the two corresponding fingers here, and I am just ombreing that down into the peachy brown colour and curing. So now I'm going to go in with some glitters. There's a very pink one and a multi-coloured one, and so I'm just going in with this is just some normal top coat. You could use base coat, rhinestone glue, and I'm just dabbing that all over the nail with the multicolour, and then going in with the pink because I wanted it to be like mostly pink at the bottom and kind of working up to the multicolour gradient going up the nail, and I think it looks super nice. And then I'm just going in with a little simple pale pink cross on the middle one. So I hope you enjoyed and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And yeah, good night.